Now let's talk about Bitcoin. It's the most famous cryptocurrency. On Tuesday, it hit a record high. Bitcoin was trading at $89,637. That's around 75 lakh Indian rupees. This rally began on November 5th, election day in America. Donald Trump won the election. And the crypto world cannot stop celebrating, it seems. Bitcoin has been rising since November 5th. It's up by over 30%. Dogecoin too has surged by 152%. Now, this is a cryptocurrency backed by Trump ally Elon Musk. But what explains this broader rally? Is Trump good for crypto? And will this rise sustain? Let's look at Bitcoin first. It's a digital currency. Bitcoin is not controlled by any country or bank. So there's no central authority. You buy it online and the transactions get recorded in a public list. It's called the blockchain. Now, Bitcoin is the oldest cryptocurrency. It's also the largest, but there are many more, the likes of Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Tether. Why are they soaring? Like I said, it has to do with Trump's win. In his first term, Trump was a crypto-sceptic. He called it a scam. He said it was competing against the US dollar. But in 2024, Donald Trump has changed tack. He has pitched himself as a crypto messiah. He promised to turn America into the crypto capital of the world.
And instead of attacking industries of the future, we will embrace them, including making America the world capital for crypto and Bitcoin.
In September, Trump launched his own crypto venture. It's called World Liberty Financial. This was during campaigning. He even became the first former president to use Bitcoin during the campaign. Trump used it to buy burgers in New York. He used Bitcoin. The crypto companies loved all of this. So they donated millions to his campaign. The crypto industry spent $120 million supporting Donald Trump and his party. And clearly now all the lobbying has paid off. Their candidate has won. But will Trump formulate favorable policies as president? And he has made a lot of promises, including replacing the chair of the SEC. SEC is the Securities and Exchange Commission. That is the American market regulator.
You will keep their hands off Bitcoin. They're going to keep their hands off crypto. They're going to let it grow. We're going to let it grow. On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman.
The current SEC head is Gary Gensler. He wants more oversight on the crypto sector, and that's led to a lot of legal battles. So the crypto companies obviously want him out, and Trump is their man. He has also promised to keep the sector unregulated, basically no legal scrutiny. The third major promise that Trump has made is about energy. You see, Bitcoin is produced through a process called mining. And this mining consumes a lot of energy. Mining one Bitcoin takes up almost 12 years of household electricity, one Bitcoin. Like I said, it consumes a lot of energy, which also makes it very expensive. Trump wants to change that. He wants to make energy cheaper so that these companies can use more of it. And the US can become a global leader in Bitcoin mining. It is an ambitious plan. Trump says he will do it. Needless to say, crypto companies are all for it. They will finally have a pro-crypto president in the White House, which is why Bitcoin is on the rise. But is this rise sustainable? Let's look at America's crypto industry. More than 50 million Americans own digital assets. That means a lot of money is at stake. 50 million Americans have put money in cryptocurrencies. But while it's popular, it's also a speculative asset, a risky investment. It has a history of drastic swings in value. People have lost all their gains almost overnight in the past. In 2020, Bitcoin was worth $5,000. By the end of 2021, it went up to $69,000. Then came a crash. Cryptocurrency exchange FTX collapsed. Customers lost around $8 billion. This dampened confidence in cryptocurrencies. Then Binance exited the US market. And finally came the largest crypto crackdown in American history. All of this left companies spooked. At the start of this year, Bitcoin was at around $17,000. Now it is back to a record high of close to $90,000. So if you're an investor, it's best to be cautiously optimistic.